First things first, what exactly is black garlic? Well, it's not a different variety of garlic, but rather a transformation of regular garlic through a process called fermentation. This process involves exposing garlic bulbs to controlled heat and humidity over a period of weeks, resulting in cloves that are soft, dark, and oh so delicious. 1. Antioxidant properties. Black garlic contains a higher concentration of antioxidants than regular garlic due to the fermentation process. Antioxidants, such as polyphenols and flavonoids, help neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to various diseases, including cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and aging-related issues. 2. Heart health. Some studies suggest that black garlic may have a positive impact on heart health. It may help lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. Additionally, compounds in black garlic may help relax blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow and reduced blood pressure. 3. Immune system support. Black garlic contains compounds like S-allylcysteine, which have been associated with immune system enhancement. These compounds can stimulate the production and activity of immune cells, helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Some studies suggest that black garlic's antioxidants and bioactive compounds may help reduce inflammation markers in the body, potentially providing relief for inflammatory conditions. 5. Cancer prevention. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that black garlic may have potential anti-cancer effects. Certain compounds in black garlic, such as S-allylcysteine and allicin, have shown inhibitory effects on the growth of cancer cells. These compounds may interfere with various stages of cancer development, including cell proliferation and apoptosis, cell death. 6. Digestive health. Black garlic contains prebiotics, which are non-digestible fibers that promote the growth and activity of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall immune function. Including black garlic in your diet may contribute to a balanced gut ecosystem. 7. Improved nutrient absorption. The fermentation process used to create black garlic may increase the bioavailability of certain nutrients. This means that the body can absorb these nutrients more effectively. For instance, the fermentation process may enhance the absorption of minerals like iron and calcium. It's important to keep in mind that while black garlic shows promise in various health aspects, research is ongoing and results can vary based on factors such as individual health conditions. Dosage and preparation methods. Before making significant dietary changes or using black garlic as a supplement, it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure that it's appropriate for your specific health needs and circumstances.